If you want to set the filter timer on here, there's different options for each indoor has a different option, so they're not all streamlined for how many hours of the filter are set. So you have to look at each installation manual and make sure that you are lined up with exactly the indoor you have. Going to do the option codes again. Hit mode, temperature, and fan down for 10 seconds. And then we are going to hit max and wind free button once you get initial settings for 5 seconds simultaneously. Get the double zeros. We're going to start putting a short code in there. D2 mode 1 8 and then 2 0. So I'm going to press power for 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. And in order to get out of here, you can not push anything and let it time out. If it times out, once you hit option sets, it'll always ask you to reset your temperature setting, Fahrenheit or Celsius. I'm going to choose Fahrenheit. Then you got to go back in here and make adjustments. And that is ultimately it.